Hello everyone, here in front of me I've got a Golf GTI Mk6 from the brand Maxwell, and it comes in a 164 scale and it looks already very detailed here in the package. Let's have a look at the box. Make more, do better. Not much information. And with that, I can conclude that it's a non-licensed product. Meh. Okay, here's some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. So now I'm going to get a knife. So we can open the package and have a look at the car. Comes in a nice display case, so it's very well protected. Let's have a quick look. While it's still on the base, I already see brake disc, brake claw. I like that. And like I said in the beginning, it looks already very detailed still in the package. Well, it is very detailed. We got lanced front lights, we got side mirrors, I like that. Windows, heating in the back window, I like that. We got the antenna on the roof, the exhaust on both sides, GTI here on the left, lanced rear lights. We got a Golf logo in the middle and a Golf license plate, and I think I'm going to replace that with a German license plate because German car. Ooh, it's a limited edition, and this is 126 out of 699. That is pretty limited. I'm very curious. It feels heavy, so I think it has a metal base. But the only thing to know sure is to get it off the base. Yes! Metal base with details, and on the end a silver exhaust. Are the wheels rolling? Yes, not super good. You see it's stuck here, but in reverse it is very well. So you have to drive this car in reverse. Oh, this wheel is a lot better, but you see the brake disc and the brake claw are staying on its place. I like that. I also like the look of the rims. There is one more thing I want to know, and therefore I need this flashlight, LED light. Okay, it's just a black interior, no color details. Nothing wrong with that, by the way. Interior looks very authentic. I like that. And we got GTI sport seats, bucket seats. And here the back. And I can assure you that this looks very much like the real version. Would be cool if it had a colored interior. But this car is looking fantastic. Wow. I also ordered a blue version, but I couldn't wait to show you this. Wow. Now, the only thing I have to do is put a German license plate on it back in a sec. So here I got the license plate. They're made out of metal. I've showed you many times. I'm just picking the one in the left top corner. There we go. You have to do this. That's one, and we need the other one. And that's next to it. There we go. Put the license plate back in the box. It also comes with a little bit of green gum. And that's for... Got enough of that right here. So you have to take a little piece. I think this is already too much. Yeah, this is way too much. Too much. Okay. There we go. Get a license plate. Put it on. Voila. There's a little bit of green stuff right here. We can take that away. Excellent. That's one. And now we're putting the other one right here. Here it is. Oh. Okay, I have to do this a little bit better later, but for now it looks okay. Yeah, with a license plate it is a lot better in my opinion. But like I was saying, this car is looking fantastic. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, click, and let me know what you think about this beautiful in reverse Golf Mk6 GTI. Bye.